Hi, Joanna. This is Michaela. Thank you so much for taking my call yesterday. As mentioned, I'm just going to go over 3 different aspects of what Google looks for when ranking different websites along their Google platform and give you some free tips and tricks on how to get more leads coming from your website and better rank on that Google ladder, okay? So to start off, we're going to start with content. Content is super important to Google. And by content, I mean anywhere that text appears on your website. So you do have a little bit of text here, and that looks to be it. On every additional page, let's see how our text is looking. Okay, so you've got some pretty good information on here. So let's look at an example, okay? So when it comes to text, why is content important? If you think of when you do any type of basic Google search, Wikipedia always shows up as the #1 search option. Why? It's because it has so much content. Every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet, finds websites with good quality content, and then moves them up the rankings naturally. That's the biggest way to organically move up that ranking. So I want to show you your competitions page. This is Bayou City Steam Cleaning, and they are on page 1 of Google. And to be honest, Joanne, they don't have a ton of content on here either. So just on my recommendation from looking at their website, to beat them with content, I recommend 1,500 words of content on your home page. Then I want every different service that you offer. So if you do upholstery cleaning and rug cleaning and tile and grout cleaning and carpet cleaning, to have its own individual page. On each page, we need about 750 words of content on each page. The reason for that is people search things like carpet cleaning Houston, Texas. That text needs to be in the content that is on your web page. That way, Google can find your website anytime someone searches a specific keyword. I'll take you here for an example. So this is just showing me your overall ranking and how you're doing on Google. As you can see, you're not getting any traffic to your website currently, and you're only currently ranking for 5 keywords. Let's take a look at those. Bliss Cleaning, which is kind of the name of your carpet business, you're at 41. So you're on page 5 already for your own business. So with that said, we can definitely get you ranking for more keywords, get you on page 1 of Google, because what we know is most people don't search beyond page 1 of Google. So we would work hard at getting you on page 1. This refers to your citations. Citations, if I take you back here to the map, are this Google Map pack. I don't know if you have a Google My Business account or not, a GMB, but these top 3 businesses are going to get the most service and the most customers just because they're visible. They're in people's face. People can see them. So our goal would obviously be to get you to the top of this. And by doing that, we would add citations. And a citation is anywhere that your business name, your address, and your phone number show up on an online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages, okay? I do have the ability to see how many your competition has, knowing how many we would need to beat that number, and then keep you in a top position to get you ranking higher, okay? From there, going back to our overview, lastly, I'm going to mention backlinks. This number here refers to backlinks and referring domains. So the more important thing is referring domains. Get good trusted websites like Angie's List and Home Advisor, just for examples. And the more of those good trusted referring domains that you get backlinks on, this number will go up. Google likes these 2 numbers to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio, and the closer you get to 30, you actually create a lot of stability, meaning you're not going to be jumping up and down all over that platform. People aren't going to be able to easily move up and over you and push you farther down the line. You're going to almost create stability in your spot within Google. So with that said, I do recommend more content on your website, 1,500 words on the home page, and then creating a subsequent page for every service you offer. That way you can be found for multiple keyword searches on a typical Google search. Getting some good quality citations and getting you up to the top of the map pack, and getting good quality backlinks and referring domains, creating a lot of stability on the Google platform. All right, Joanna, well, that's all I have for you today. I hope this information was helpful. I will be in contact soon and we can talk over some things, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.